So next type examples, find the radius of curvature r square is equal to a square cos of 2 theta at theta is equal to 30 degree, right? So theta value ಕೊಟ್ಟಲ್ಲ, find the radius of curvature ಕೇಳೋಣ. So observe the given curve. Previous example ಏನಿತ್ತು, ಒಂದು ಎಕ್ಸಾಂಪಲ್ ಕಾರ್ಟೇಶಿಯನ್ ಫಾರ್ಮ್ ಇತ್ತು, ಇನ್ನೊಂದು ಎಕ್ಸಾಂಪಲ್ ಪ್ಯಾರಾಮೆಟ್ರಿಕ್ ಫಾರ್ಮ್ ಇತ್ತು. ಸೊ ಎರಡು ಇದ್ದಾಗ ಫಾರ್ಮುಲಾ ತಗೊಂಡಿದ್ದೆ. ಸೊ ರೇಡಿಯಸ್ ಆಫ್ ಕರ್ವೇಚರ್, ಸೊ 1 plus y1 square raised to 3/2 divided by y2 ತಗೊಂಡಿದ್ದೆ. And curve in the form of Cartesian and parametric ಇದೆ. But given curve is in the form of polar. Polar ಇದ್ದಾಗ ಯಾವ ತರ ಬಳಸಬೇಕು? r is equal to f of theta. It is a polar form. r is equal to f of theta and pedal form ಇದ್ದಾಗ r is equal to f of p ಇದ್ದಾಗ. So formula ಬರ್ತಾವ. Rho is equal to r into dr by dp. ಯಾವ formula is? Rho stands for it is radius of curvature. So it is a formula for pedal form of radius of curvature. ನೀನು derivation ಮಾಡಿ ನೋಡಿ. So ಅದು ಇದನ್ನ formula ಇತ್ತು. And curve in the form of polar. So polar formula ಗೊತ್ತಿದೆ, radius formula. ಅದು formula confuse ಆಗುತ್ತೆ ನಿಮಗೆ. So ಇವಟ್ಟೆ ಇವೆರಡು formula. ಎರಡು formula ಏನು ಬಿಟ್ಕೊಳ್ಳಿ. When find radius of curvature ಕೇಳಿದ ಅಂತ. Find the radius of curvature ಕೇಳಿದ ಅಂತಂದ್ರೆ ಎರಡು formula ನೆನಪಿಟ್ಕೊಳ್ಳಿ. ಒಂದು ಇದು, ಒಂದು ಇದು. ಎರಡು formula ನೆನಪಿಟ್ಕೊಳ್ಳೋಕೆ ಏನು ಕಷ್ಟ ಇಲ್ಲ. So ಇದನ್ನ ಯಾವಾಗಿದು curve in the form of Cartesian and parametric ಇದ್ದಾಗ ಇದನ್ನ ಹಚ್ಚಿಕೊರಿ. Curve in the form of polar and pedal form ಇದ್ದಾಗ ಈ ಫಾರ್ಮುಲಾ ಹಚ್ಚಿಕೊರಿ. ಕ್ಲಿಯರ್ ಆಯ್ತಾ? ಓಕೆ. So r ಕಂಡುಹಿಡಿಯಬೇಕು, dr by dp ಕಂಡುಹಿಡಿಯಬೇಕಂದ್ರೆ what is p? We know the formula for p is equal to r into sin pi. Differentiate with respect to r ಮಾಡಿದ್ರೆ dp by dr ಬರ್ತದೆ, ಅದನ್ನ ರಿವರ್ಸ್ ಮಾಡ್ಕೋಬೇಕು. But what is the pi? Pi stands for angle between radius vector and tangent. That formula is tan of pi is equal to r into d theta by dr. Then ಬೇಕಲ್ಲ ಯೂನಿಟ್ 1 ಪೇಪರ್ 1. So ಈ ಫಾರ್ಮ್ ಫಸ್ಟ್ ಇದು, ಸೆಕೆಂಡ್ ಇದು, ಥರ್ಡ್. ಕ್ಲಿಯರ್? ಓಕೆ. ಕೊಟ್ಟಂತ ಕರ್ವ್ ಏನಿದೆ ಅದನ್ನ ಬರ್ಕೊಂಡ್ಮೇಲೆ ಅದನ್ನ ಸಿಂಪ್ಲಿಫೈ ಮಾಡಿ. ಸೊಲ್ಯೂಷನ್ ಗಿವನ್ ಕರ್ವ್ ಟೇಕಿಂಗ್ ಲಾಗ್ ಆನ್ ಬೋತ್ ಸೈಡ್ಸ್. Taking log on both sides because of easy ಆಗುತ್ತೆ ಡಿಫರೆನ್ಸಿಯೇಷನ್ ಮಾಡ್ಕೊಳ್ಳೋದು. So log ತಗೊಂಡ್ರೆ 2 into log of r, so that equal to log of a square into cos of 2 ಅಥವಾ r square ಹಚ್ಚಿಕೊಳ್ಳಿ. ಇದನ್ನ log m raised to n ಹಚ್ಚಿಕೊಳ್ಳಿ. 2 into log of r, so ಇದು log of m plus n plus cos of 2 theta. Log of cos of 2 theta. Log m into n, log m raised to n formula. ಇವಾಗ ಡಿಫರೆನ್ಷಿಯೇಷನ್ ಮಾಡಿ, ಡಿಫರೆನ್ಷಿಯೇಟ್ ವಿತ್ ರೆಸ್ಪೆಕ್ಟ್ ಟು ಥೀಟಾ. ಸೊ 2 into 1 by r into dr by d theta. Right? So this is 0 plus 1 divided by cos of 2 theta into differentiation of cos minus of sin of 2 theta into 2 theta, it is 2. Right? Log x, so into x minus into 2 theta, it is 2. Right? e2 cancel ಆಗುತ್ತೆ. Cancel ಆಗಿ 1 by r into dr by d theta, that equal to minus of sin of 2 theta divided by cos of 2 theta. ಇದನ್ನ ರಿವರ್ಸ್ ಮಾಡಿ, r into d theta by dr, so that equal to minus of cos of 2 theta divided by sin of 2 theta. So r into d theta by dr value is, it is tan pi. Tan of pi cos by sin, it is cot, minus of cot of 2 theta. But I want angle between radius and tangent pi, so I can write tan of so third degree, so it is second degree, pi by 2 plus 2 theta. Tan of, so it is complete on cycle, it is second quadrant, it is 180 plus theta, it is 90 minus of theta. Right? So it is minus 180 minus theta, it is 180 minus theta, it is second quadrant, it is 180 minus theta. So sin of 90 plus theta, it is sin of 90 plus theta. Tan of 90 plus theta, it is second quadrant, it is minus of cot theta. So So negligible. Tan of 90 plus theta it is minus of cot theta. Theta in terms of 2 theta. So pi is equal to pi by 2 plus 2 theta. But theta is given. Pi by 2 plus 2 into pi by 6 theta value put on 2 1 2 3 are. So pi is equal to pi by 2 plus pi by 3. So pi is equal to LCM is 6. So it is 3 5 pi by 6. So it means 5 by 6 into 180 degree. R under 150 degree. Right? So pi is equal to 150 degree. So beta pi value. So it's going to next. ಮುಂದೆ ಮಾಡ್ಕೋಬೇಕು p ಕಂಡುಹಿಡಿಯಬೇಕು. p is equal to r into sin of pi. p is equal to r into sin of pi ಅಲ್ಲಿ ಎಷ್ಟು ಐತಿ 150 ಡಿಗ್ರಿ ಹೌದೇನಲ್ಲ ಅಂದ್ರೆ ಆ ಮೂಲೆ 15 150 yes 150 degree. So r into sin of 180 degree minus of 30 degree ಮಾಡ್ಕೋಬಹುದಲ್ಲ. So it is 150 ಬರ್ತೈತಿ. So r into it is second quadrant. So second quadrant sign is positive. It is only sin of 30 degree. Sin 30 degree value is 1 by 2. So p is equal to r by 2. But a ಕಂಡುಹಿಡಿಯಬೇಕು ಈಗ rho ಕಂಡುಹಿಡಿಯಬೇಕು. But rho is equal to r into dr by dt ಕಂಡುಹಿಡಿಯಬೇಕು. Right? So how to find this dr by dt? So it is r value is it is this. P with respect to r madri what you get radius of curvature. Idukku differentiation with respect to p madri differentiate with respect to p. So with respect to r so we get dp by dr. So that is equal to 1 by 2. So dp by dr value we know that rho is equal to r into dr by dt. So radius of curvature formula rho is equal to r value is what is r given r square. So r square is equal to a square into cos of 2 theta. Right? So therefore r is equal to it is this a into root of cos of 2 theta into dr by dp. So reverse one it is 2. So rho is equal to a into root of cos of 2 into theta value 5 by 6 3s are. So rho is equal to 2a into root of cos of 5 by 3. So cos of 60 degree. Cos 60 degree is so 1 by 2. So 2a into root of 1 by 2. So rho is equal to 2a. So 1 by root 2. So it means 2 divided by root 2 of a. So it is 2 raised to 1 into 2 raised to minus of 1 by 2. It is 1 by 2 a root 2. So this is the answer of radius of curvature. ಇದರೊಳಗ ಫಾರ್ಮುಲಾ ಇಮೇಜ್ ಬಿಡಬೇಕು tan of pi is equal to r into d theta by dr ಇದೊಂದು. Next relation between polar and pedal t is equal to r into sin pi. pi ಅಲ್ಲಿ ತಿರುಗಿದ್ರೆ ಅದನ್ನ ಈ ತಿಳ್ಕೋಬೇಕು dr ಸಿಗ್ತದೆ. ಇದಕ್ಕೆ with respect to r ಮಾಡ್ರಿ dp by dr ಸಿಗ್ತದೆ. So apply pedal formula rho is equal to r into dr by dp value ತುಂಬ್ರಿ r value ತುಂಬ್ರಿ simplify. Right? So this is the examples. Thank you.